Are you struggling to sell your home? If you're a homeowner who is having difficulty selling, know that you're not alone. Fortunately, there are ways to combat this issue, and we're here today to discuss them. Here are the top 3 reasons why your home may not be selling and what to do about them. First, pricing problems. This is a very common issue as many homeowners price their homes too high in hopes that it will leave room for them to negotiate down. However, this may end up turning buyers away and losing you money in the end. Today's buyers are getting smarter, so listen to the feedback you're getting in open houses, as you may find the common problem is the price. In most cases, you need to lower your price a little, and the right agent can help you do that appropriately based on comparable homes. Next, product problems. Sometimes there may be a problem with your home. Again, listen to what people say at your open houses and respond to their feedback. Maybe there are renovations or updates you need to make. However, sometimes it can be as simple as decluttering to show that the home has more space. Also, a common problem is staging. The correct staging, including curb appeal, decorations, paint, and much more, will make a huge difference. This is why we offer a complimentary staging consultation with a professional home stager before you go on the market to make the home shine. Finally, marketing problems. The truth is that you won't sell your home if buyers don't even hear about it. Make sure you work with an agent who has a top-notch marketing plan. Most consumers start their home search by looking online, so make sure you have an excellent listing. Also, work with someone who knows how to get your listing seen by the most people, including through social media and even virtual open houses. Our marketing plan starts with advertising on over 300 websites. We use professional photography and videography to make your home stand out from the rest. If you're having difficulty selling your home, don't hesitate to reach out. We can give you some tips on how to make your home shine and get more people through to finally get that offer. Thanks for watching. I'm John Hurlbut with the Altitude Homes team, and we'd sure like it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing. Catch you at the next one.